Just let me know when you're ready. Hi everybody, we're here at Westville Recreation Area. We're going to walk around and enjoy nature on this beautiful day. Listen to how happy the birds are now that spring is here. It's a little bit colder out than I expected today, but that's all right. I'm gonna push through, get that spring exercise in. It's a little too cold today, but this picnic area looks really nice up there for a nice spring picnic. Coming up on a rare treasure. Looks like we got a payphone. Yes, indeed, a relic from the past. So crazy. Used to use these all the time. Any dial tone, honey?
No, nothing.
The 1980s called. They want their phone back.
Get a nice view down.
So beautiful. Let's head down to this beautiful lake. Oh, another little picnic area. A little steep. Such a beautiful day. This sad tree has definitely seen better days. So this is Westville Dam. Beautiful, beautiful lake. So peaceful right now. Really no tourists. Hi everyone. Oh look, even got one of those little grills there. Come down, have a nice picnic, cook up some burgers. Hubby's making me take the steep hill back up.
Come on, Daddy.
We just had to stop and take care of a fire that somebody started out here in one of the grills and left covered with pieces of brush and shrubs. There is nobody around. I've shouted twice, saying hello, asking for people. There's no one here. Ignorance, just ignorance. Another nice picnic and grill area. I love nature. Just being out in the sun, enjoying the peace and quiet. Now, this is Western Massachusetts, so our chances of seeing wild animals are pretty decent. Thought we heard something. Don't see anything yet.
I was looking at the bulge of the tree. It looks like a face.
Headed to the dam. Okay, we've spotted a swan. We're gonna see if we can get her on film. She's way out in the middle of the lake.
Hi.
So beautiful. Oh, she's just having a nice little splash around. Alright, continuing on. It seems there is a pair of them, in fact. Aren't they gorgeous? We are almost to the actual dam. Such a long walk. It seems a woodpecker has been having a good time with this tree. My goodness. Hopefully we can see the woodpecker somewhere. We're getting closer. I can hear the water. Look at this beautiful babbling stream that flows into the lake. Absolutely stunning. Nature. Is there anything more beautiful? Check out this sign right here. This signifies that this actually used to be a train bed running through here. Long time ago. So all of this that I'm walking on right now used to be covered in train tracks. Here's a little information about Westville and the trails. Here's my husband. The train ran all the way from Southbridge, Massachusetts to New York City. Getting closer now. We are just about at Westville Dam. Come here to enjoy nature. Take all the dam pictures you want. I'll be your dam guide. Let's continue this dam tour, shall we?
Good afternoon.
This is absolutely beautiful. Check out this beautiful bench. And we have some information about the dam itself. We have another beautiful babbling stream right here. Such a relaxing sound. And here is the dam I promised you on this dam tour. Zoom in so you can get a nice close view of that. That about sums up our dam tour today. We'll be back next time with another video and another tour of an outdoor activity. Keep watching for more trips to more nature preserves and outdoor parks.